used to chase the grand unknown, dreamt of fire, stars, and gold. But now I see the truth unfold. This world is quiet, tired, and old. Not every moment sparks or shines. Most drift by, lost to time. And love, it's not a fairy tale. It breaks, it fades, it sometimes fails. This is the weight of knowing, the light that dims when truth is showing. No heroes, no perfect lights, just fragile hearts and borrowed time. This is the cost of seeing the ache beneath all human being. A fleeting joy, a ghost that goes and leaves you standing all alone.